Welcome back. So far, we've focused on the science and engineering of AI. But as this technology becomes more powerful, it forces us to grapple with some of the biggest philosophical questions humanity has ever faced. Today, we take a brief tour of the philosophy of AI. AI pushes us beyond the code and makes us ask fundamental questions about ourselves. What is a mind? Is it just a complex biological computer or something more? What does it truly mean to understand something versus just processing information? These are questions philosophers have debated for centuries, and AI is making them more urgent than ever. A central mystery is what's called the hard problem of consciousness. The easy problem is figuring out the mechanics of the brain, how it processes data. The hard problem is, why does all the processing feel asterisk like something? Why do you have a rich, inner, subjective experience of the color red or the taste of chocolate? We don't know, and it's the biggest barrier to knowing if a machine could ever be truly conscious. This leads to a famous thought experiment called the Chinese room. Imagine a person who doesn't speak Chinese locked in a room. They have a giant rulebook. Someone slides a Chinese question under the door. The person uses the book to look up the symbols and, following the rules, writes down the correct Chinese answer and slides it back. To the outside observer, the room is fluently speaking Chinese. But does the person, or the room as a system, truly understand asterisk Chinese? Or is it just manipulating symbols? Many argue that this is all that even the most advanced AI is doing. Beyond consciousness, we have urgent ethical questions to answer today. We know that if we train an AI on biased data from our society, it will learn and amplify those biases. How do we build fair systems? As we use AI for security, how do we prevent it from creating a world of total surveillance? And if an autonomous system like a self-driving car makes a fatal mistake, who is legally and morally responsible? And the ethical questions don't stop there. What is our duty to the millions of people whose jobs may be displaced by AI automation? If we ever do create a generally intelligent AI, what rights should it have? Could we ethically turn it off? And looking far into the future, how do we ensure that a potential superintelligence remains safe and aligned with human values? This is known as the AI alignment problem. The most important thing to realize is that these are not simple engineering problems with a correct answer. They are complex human problems that involve our values. They require a broad public conversation involving not just scientists, but ethicists, policymakers, artists, and all of us. To be a true AI learner, you must do more than understand how it works. You must think deeply about how it should be used. These philosophical and ethical questions are no longer academic. They are some of the most important questions of the 21st century. In our next lesson, we'll return to the technical side and explore the two historical approaches to building AI systems. See you there.